Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a JBL PartyBox 110 and you need to do a hard reset on it. You may be having issues like it is not connecting to Bluetooth, or it keeps disconnecting from Bluetooth, or there's a problem with the sound. Doing a hard reset will fix a lot of these issues, and it's very simple to do. All we want to do is we need to turn our speaker on, or if it was already on, just go ahead and turn it off and then turn it back on. And then once it's on, we're just going to come in and we're going to press the sun button and the play button, and we're going to press and hold them simultaneously for about 10 seconds. So just keep pressing and holding those two buttons simultaneously until you get that sort of classic JBL sound, and the speaker will turn off. Now once it's turned off, you're going to let it sit for a couple seconds, and then you can turn it back on. And once you turn it back on, since it has been hard reset, you will need to repair it with whatever devices you want.